That's what I climbed last time. It's a little too wet today. Where'd they go? Oh. Holy shit, dude. Look at that.
Where are they going up there?
I don't know, dude. Maybe they're just coming down it.
That's the one. This is the one we did last time, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Up that way.
Yeah, we're going that way.
All right,
You see that, dude?
I'm gonna have to borrow somebody's back tire.
Ron hit this one last time from a dead stop.
Yeah, dude, I hit this one from a dead stop, 10 foot run on my 450.
Make it?
Yeah, I got to the very top here and started spinning. Didn't think I was gonna make it, but I made it. It's all on video. Going back down it was actually sketchier than coming up it.
Yeah, that's insane right there.
But that, dude, I don't think you could climb that.
You'd have to hit the bottom and just keep your momentum up.
Well, or you have to fucking haul dick around the stern and just fucking.
Dude, I still don't think you could do it, dude.
Coming down it.
I think people are just coming down it.
Coming down it?
Yeah. There ain't no way, dude. You couldn't keep your momentum. You'd get to about that. Even if you got to about that tree, you'd just spin.
Dude, I don't know. There's some freak riders out there, dude. On some of those KTM guys, they're fucking nuts. And these guys, that's all they do is climb these hills. Every single weekend.
Yeah, they told me and John when we were out here, they were like, you guys are welcome to tag along with us, but just so you know, we're about to do 4 to 5 hours of intense single track with pretty much nothing but climbs.
And they were like, and once you get going, you can't turn back.
Yeah, and once we get you so far in there, yeah, we can't take you back. We'll have to take you the rest of the way. And I'm like, and I look at John and we're like, yeah, we're just gonna stay on the roads.
This is fun right here. Coming up that hill with those water breaks and stuff. Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, that was sick, dude. Skying them. I feel like I'm gonna blow this thing up.
That thing is not any. I mean, maybe from overweight excess, but
yeah.
Mike, take the WR up a hill climb.
WR.
Or fucking sit down.
That thing seems like it's running good.
Is it 650?
Yeah.
650R, dude.
That thing's fucking bad. That thing is the fucking tip.
Would probably be the perfect setup if it wasn't kickstart.
Hey, it's so hard to start.
So it's crazy how much different everything looks in late summer than it did in early spring.